Overlord II, Magick: The Gathering Duels of the Planeswalker 2012, Guards, Gray Matter, Epistory Typing Chronicles, Lego Harry Potter Years 5-7, Age of Wonders Shadow Magic, Orcs Must Die, The Night of the Rabbit, Magical Diary Horse Hall, Daedalic, Dark Messiah of Might and Magic, Eon Altar, Ziggurat, Torchlight, Sacrifice, Kingdoms of Amalur Reckoning, Fable III, Arcanum of Steamworks and Magick Obscura, Waltz of the Wizard, Dishonored, Risen, The Elder Scrolls Roman IV Oblivion, Magicka, The Elder Scrolls Roman III Morrowind, Dragon's Dogma Dark Arisen.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.